Yo Gogo, ibalo, tech fula la. Oh, inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la. Fokol, stress, ithi lakta phana cash loku popul. Fresh niggas ngakayina next, mara so cool. Nsika blind and unkhohlul. That's why in Randa speaker grind.
Thank you. Back again. I'm back again. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Scamto, your favorite podcast in the whole wild world. I'm your host again. My name is Poppy, and I'm not alone again. As you know very well, it can't be a podcast without people. You understand? I'm still going with my main man, Tabang. I hope
I was thinking about Kinja among dogs. But actually, thinking about it, I'm back again. Tawang mariri mfanola back with another banger as usual. Kita watawa turali waruwiga when as she said on the last podcast. Marano, kite, think about it. Let's figure it out. Fix it out. Think about it. Everything is about church. As long as we speak about it, you're gonna hear it from us, no one else.
Lamon, he's getting comfortable now. He's getting used to the waves. Okay, welcome back, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and remember to hit the notification bells, cause you know I cannot go hela. How wanna put this hela? I think the screen so how just know don't come to I get it. I'm not alone. My main man, Salty. I hate that thing. But then it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And T, do you wanna greet my people? Ghost.
As
Okay.
24/7.
As I can say, can I please, can I be the one to now, just for today?
Okay.
I know you're the main man,
Of
main
course.
actor, main character.
Man.
Actually, my favorite vandag na lady mpiatsa thing, the dog of the dog is still kine ghosty. You to come around Maroka look like a voice, or there's only one voice, and can't affair. Cause smiles $1 million, $1 billion, $1 trillion, depends which math you know. Okay, sharp. It's your personality. Please give us your intro, maybe.
Sanbonani dumelang abusheni. Hello Zwiti. I love the part when I'm saying Sanbonani dumelang abusheni. I accommodate everyone. But
Yeah.
hello, this is me, your man, Salty. Welcome to Scamto Podcast. Whatever. Kinako ela. We're more moteng. You need to run. Twela phone. Twela whatever you are doing. Kitimela kontlung. Grab a cold drink. Grab a juice. Sit back. Relax. Ushebe tea. P and T. Mole
TTP.
banale lona. Batoli hit hakatsona, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the
Notification bell. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, you remember I once told you that there are so many podcasts modified and we are still in the process of changing the name into Busy Corner. So which means the upcoming following episodes will be under the podcast called Busy Corner. Ne? But Harito deleted the previous ones. I get it. It's like it's only logo now so that but bamahlo amaholo them good rates ba honor bonor no general upgrading. Baby boy, what's going on? I see him is
The way na bona bateng mfanola none umtshwarisa stress ba bona le mpahla le ba ibiza konjikeng mazulu ba ibiza anxiety
Anxiety. Anxiety.
No ke amazulu mara nke re bona ba rata ibiza ba thile mpahla ba ibiza anxiety so re tla ke bophelo ke se gowa re fitlile ka se re fitlile ka zulu re fitlile ka mazangane maqonga kaofela re kaofedi mapedi nna ke na le wena shisa wa tseba
and it's so sad, Honajina. Actually, it's now I'm happy that he's back. He's on medication to like help him think straight and everything, you know. But I fail to understand Horana. What kind of medication Emma Mubin Karayona? If now he has the conscience of saying Emma Hotmane, Yakolisa, Tushota Arabialo, Yusorika Leroja.
No, sorry, Ugana Mumlo, but I think he's still taking medication. Kamkoke Monangati. Naliti, I think 3 days back. Is it 3 days back? 4 days. We were talking about him. Ne?
Yeah, it was 3, 4.
Yeah, 4 days back. It was on Saturday. We were talking about him. He's still taking medication. Understand? Usanka, and it feels like Okare. What's happening to that boy? It's real, guys. You understand? It's what he saw.
It's real.
It's real. You understand?
Mhm.
and imudamagile mind ya high. You
Yeah.
understand? So they are trying to or by at least a situation high because now I think he's taking pills. We know now. I know people who are taking pills. A lot of people they'll behave like him. Now
Yeah.
lately, umoni uko rumunya high.
Yeah.
Auditi so
Whatever.
is like ke kgapela even the speech. You understand? If you're taking that didn't say the pills tsa didn't say tsa psych. You understand? It, sorry, allegedly wahafa for Nailani. I'm not saying allegedly wahafa. Let me just put it like that. You understand? The speech, Poppy, when you're taking those pills, those pills makes you sleep every day. You understand? When they say they'll calm you down, it's when they give you those pills to sleep. Understand?
Next.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, limo libitang maybe I think Selwadi, no? It's on the Zinex itseo.
Okay, but actually,
According to but
I have like a really nice milk also. See a phrase.
no, not Freestyle. They just not. Wait to get
So slang go see a phrase.
No, listen. Why I'm saying that, Poppy, if Ankara salad, it's due to problem like stress, normally
stress related issues.
stress related. They are obviously they'll make you drink those kind of pills
Yeah.
to not think a lot, to understand. Sleep always. Do you obey?
You become a zombie.
Yeah, you
in your
become
own
a zombie.
body, yeah.
That boy is a zombie now. How come Mona Lino Naloko Rumunya High are bares rumu ya ka ke saloon? As I told you that last episode the ARO na ya re bua ka ena or o tlo boela ko mkhukhu. O boetse mkhukhu. Are bare like o tlo speech sai. Are ejo a nkute a nkere meriri mo. A kere bare rumu ya ka e tshwana le saloon. E tshwana le saloon. Mara ha ke di change. Too short the Arabian. Can you hear the speech? You can hear or he's taking pills or something.
I hear the speech.
Yeah.
Now I hear the speech, but then now it's the chat horn. As you saw the video before I rehab since I read that hoodie ela ere. The time he's been going live and so on. Is it horror? Can try warning or get what tuba?
I believe, let me just say that. Okay, that's a good question. Now I think he saw what he saw. Understand? And then now trying to run away from what he's smoking. And that what he saw, obviously, if you become stressed or you can't sleep, it's either you take something stronger, you drink alcohol, or if you smoke drugs, you smoke drugs, for you just to not think about it. You understand? So
who said he only started smoking when he saw those things?
No, he started smoking a long time ago.
Yeah,
Orata dilo mfano like abatseba ke bafana ba Pitori. Orata dilo thata mfano. O papa since atsuba a thoma utsuba asali young ko primary. Tshabile le school.
Mara, now I'm saying the only drug that I've seen him do is it's kipaji. The only thing that
That's why we alleged, but we know allegedly. Let me just say allegedly.
But then don't forget the only reason why she saw that is because now South Africa it's
legal.
It's legal for personal use. It could have been his personal use, but now right ignorant now.
What is on the table?
What was on the table?
Nabo Eastern guys, naketsa go Eastern emfana go East jikelela mhlaba wonke khohlwa Eastern yonke iphethe konke.
Inele pipe ya crystal.
Look, konje re bitsa katong, ke guitar.
Oh yeah. It's shaped like a guitar.
It has a.
What is that? I can say.
It's a thing out of a crystal. It has a round thingy and then it has a thing.
A pipe, yeah.
That's why re bitsa katong. I mean, I'm saying this because I know it because I have.
I get a little allegedly. Live in Yashaba Shitile no
Kiboni
that whole thing na kwe mushimana to fitla to inga
mo I chafe mo pela camera. Yeah.
So that's what people. I didn't see it go that thing, but then when I went on the comment section on TikTok, wait, TikTok
and then by they made you see it. Why
it meshes up everything in there.
Yeah. So I think Vele, he was trying to run away from, as I told you, Rona, when we grew up, if you see something bad, like Moloi or something,
You're
like,
not
okay,
supposed to
let me
talk about
just say, for an example, you see someone killing someone secretly. And now I experience some do you think you're going to be mentally stable?
It actually depends, guys. Actually, speaking about it, I'm just off track a bit. Today, my cousin was on YFM Katleho. She was speaking about she's part of Rising Stars. I'm sure they wanna go TikTok.
Yeah, I see on
Prince
TikTok.
what?
Go Facebook.
Yeah, it's part of Rising Stars. Ne? Hore you affecta Joang. Sharp, you affecta the way you affecta thing, the way you saw. But then don't forget, what have you seen in life? For example, Popo has seen a lot in life.
Don't say, for example, it's the truth. Where my man?
Oh, where my man? Oh, where my man?
Now, let me tell you, man, just say Poga because some people say my podcast is fucking useless.
Yeah, but
It's Sima.
Alleged. No, it's not alleged. We posted for 2 months back.
Okay, but then in terms of nothing, you must learn how to improvise. So don't worry, we'll make this just for you all so you guys can hear. Let me get closer. Don't worry about it. We got you as usual. Hi,
So now here is okay. It's fine. Or Rising Stars. Yes.
Teenagers go through a lot. As we all know, we've all been through teenage. We've all been the teenage phase.
I've never been a mother since teenage.
Yeah, it's fine. Your mother, you're fine. But at the end of the day, you were a teenager, right? But now, the world is evaluating. Things are changing. We all go through different things. Sure. Now, Jima Sheikh, when I get Tima Sheikh, guys, get Sure. Jima Sheikh, he's also a teenager, basically. Like, maybe turned 21.
No, basically, get a teenager. Yeah. Can I kill him in 2006 or 7?
6 or 7, yeah.
Okay, sharp. Allegedly, read, mara, let's correct the comment section. Wait, make rather the comment. The commenting in a Sharp, ne? Okay, Sharp is a teenager. He went through a lot. As he went through a lot, Sharp, it doesn't mean, guys, or little bit drugs and stuff. As we're speaking about the rising what, and the rising star generation. Speaking about it, guys, teenagers go through a lot. So, Jima Sheikh, no, sorry, man. About it. Today, my cousin Katleho was on, I think it's YFM. I didn't really check, but I listened to the whole session. She's part of the Rising Stars. I think it's Generation. Mona Le Prince and stuff. Okay, sharp. Speaking about it, guys, Jima Sheikh is actually still a teenager.
True.
Is going through a lot. So now the way I think maybe Jima Sheikh
For Rising Stars.
Yeah. Why not?
Well, like explain. I don't know.
What is Rising Stars?
What is Rising?
Okay,
what do they do?
Stars, guys, you'll feel a free promo. Marakatale for the invoice soon. Rising Stars is about basically me and Katleo, my cousin, we had another cousin called Prince. We like it's Mr. Moloto, so.
Oh
yeah. It's Mr. Moloto. Why you about behavior, the drugs, they take you there. Penal beat, basically, so you can be back
sort
on
of what camp?
Exactly. Yeah, it's a discipline camp. It is a discipline camp. About discipline.
So it's like / rehab / discipline.
Yeah, because it has the driver the M4 are the penal beat.
So guys, tell me. Kamona Jima Sheikh.
Yeah.
Kamona ing.
XW2.
Kenya gore reporting the viewers. I want the viewers to know hore before the shooter, you guys were not getting along. And I want you guys to explain the viewers sorry. Why? Because now when I met T, it was okay, but Poppy said no. You know, guys, when I said Poppy, we have a new co-host, and so also when you started saying, who's that? No, Tabang. Hey, no one dinner. Hey, what? Where's that boy? Tabang Lena today, when we from the mall, it's like, Poppy, I can't me.
True.
I want to
I
know
didn't.
why.
I'll
Okay,
learn how to.
no, it's fine. What happened? Because what I know is that Lona, you just met today. You just starting speaking today,
Are you
Lona.
sure about that?
Yeah. Why, Poppy? Why? Okay, Sharp, tell me. Why?
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a fan of a person that emotionally abuses another person.
Okay.
Especially if that person is so close to me to the point of when they vent, they come to me. It's another emotional baggage because I'm also fighting my own emotions. You understand? You remember right?
Mm-hmm.
You remember how my life has been since the past 4 months, right?
Mhm.
So when someone comes and I see them cry, but what's happening accuses me of this and that and this and that and this. I'm like, what the fuck is this Tabang now? What are you talking about? Then I get to see him Emakuleni. Not Emakuleni, lapha kwaMdluli. I get to see him. I'm like, Ulisa ke ngano? Enkamu panel beater no saw. No sauce on Gamo panel beater if I like to. And he was like, no, Poppy, don't do it. Because, I don't want now him saying, what's him in you understand? That's why I didn't like him because why? Umtana bantu, masu endlini like him.
And then you would say your friend, actually. Okay, let me say your
My baby
baby
girl.
/ baby girlfriend.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, to pick, it's our baby girl. That's my girl.
It's our shop.
So now you started knowing Tabanka. The lady.
No, let me say.
Yeah, you just say yes.
Okay, besides Chumak, they don't know. Guys, me and Poppy, we passed each other on the streets.
We
didn't
usually
know
pass each other. So
Every
when
day, wabona. Oh, anana kilamtutu. Kanti mfana tengu fitli ushapa tupa. But foko,
So, Poppy, when you started not liking Taban that time.
Yeah, after that situation, and which is, guys, actually speaking about
Did you apologize?
For me, she's my baby girl. There's no way I can't.
Did you apologize?
So Tabang, no, don't run away from this.
No, I'm not running away from it. I want to know, did he apologize and was he sincere about it?
No, what are you apologizing for? What did you do?
Apparently, I was emotionally blackmailing the child.
Okay.
Which is my girlfriend.
Not apparently. Say I was.
Okay, now don't forget where the medulla oblongata and the cerebrum works in different type of places. You've been there, I've been here.
Okay.
So to me, it's not emotional blackmail. To me, it was speaking my feelings.
You're not telling me anything.
No, we can't.
What was the blackmail all about?
We're coming there. Yes.
You see, so as I was saying, teenagers, I went through a lot myself. Which is not, I'm not saying, guys, if another person didn't go through a lot, more blackmail and do all. No. Don't forget, that's why it's a point of view, people's eyesight. Mathabat. It's a different point. You can see something the way you saw it. But I'm seeing it as me speaking what I feel. And if it comes across the way it comes across to you, it shouldn't be my burden. Because at the end of the day, I'm speaking what I feel in my heart. Because now it's my type of communication. Your type of communication is your type of communication. As what you want to do, na tlhoka ke wa na se nna Zuma le partner ha a se makanda hlangene lo nna ke wa.
So T, you started dating the friend Ning, and why was she crying? Why Poppy Nalla?
Should I speak or is he gonna speak about it? No. Let's hear it from the horse's mouth first. Then I'll tell you what I heard.
Okay.
And now, what I witnessed.
Okay, what are the horse's mouth, guys? Now apparently, from my seeing, I was the river. You can't force a donkey.
No, like a river.
Besides flowing, you can't take a donkey.
You can't force the donkey to drink water
from the river.
Yeah.
What if not donkey aka in sparkling water? Yeah, it's mine.
That's why I'm Tabang. Why
Why G?
I get it. He said he's a river.
Yeah,
Why
why
what's
G?
my name on
Yeah,
that
why
one?
G?
Yeah, I'm
Be a
flowing.
parallel river and go straight.
The Abaton puts us straight. The straight.
I'm
story.
flowing.
Yeah.
So we had altercations.
Mhm.
Me and my girlfriend.
And what started those altercations? Cause
Okay, it's fine. No, ngiyazi ukuthi sikwatelene, but khululeka simnandi forever.
Mm.
Sharp. The river, I'm flowing. Altercation started gore. Okay, personally, ne. Ke itse nna motho wa ka ke most wanted because no matter ngaphika khohlwa. Tela thupa ngwanola. That's why ke mo shetse ka motho la pele. La chance le na bafana.
He hate.
Ba chance. Wa ka no kang sheba ka side eye bombastic or ni bombastic.
you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
My hand she's very pretty. Gorgeous.
Very. I do have.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous girl. That one.
She's stunning.
Shit.
And you know what's the nice thing? She's stunning for me. Hiseng bafana ba.
It's an,
Modimo khotsa.
yeah.
Alija ka thupa.
Mm.
Sharp. So there was okay. Not personally me being mean. I'm not insecure, but then you can't have a hand that's too friendly. Never. Mushimane wa fitla, I didn't want to feel rude.
Okay. Yeah.
Example, nna ke starta koloi no, ke starta koloi ke bona ngwanyana fitla wa nkgaise lo wa kae. Ke Don Park. Wa Don Park o ke a go tsamaya. I'm too friendly. That seat is for my hand. It's not for no one else. It's my hand seat that. So now, basically, you can't go. Skalebala, we live in a very, very small complex. Very, very small. Worst part, now na mutu santsebe. Decide to ngitika lebitso ka nickname ka surname.
So you're trying to tell me were you jealous of something when you say that your hand is too
Hold on.
friendly? Your hand is too
Wait,
friendly.
hold on.
Wait.
No, he's not going to the point.
Yeah, no, I want
I
him
want
to the
him
point.
there.
I understand.
He's coming there.
Yeah, your hand is too friendly. Ne? Aurora, she spoke to someone and she was friendly to someone where else when you
couple
don't
of
like
people.
it. Yeah, a couple of
people like
people.
who?
Yeah.
We can't name and shame. I don't.
Yeah, we can't. Yeah.
We can't name.
So you don't like that?
I don't like that. And as being a bro in this community, economy, you get jealous. No matter how nonchalant you are.
100%.
I'm a boy.
As long as you love her.
I'm a boy. It's like that song, Men Cry Too. I could have cried inside, not outside. But I know what I want. And I don't want my hand being out there. She's my hand. That's why I repeat, my. It's not their hand. If I feel jealous, I feel jealous.
100%.
Which is, this is one thing I don't understand. It's my hand, right? We are in a relationship. Too. I always say, if you're in a relationship and you guys are going through problems, only your hand and you should know what's going on. People love to ruin things. Not saying you're gonna ruin it. Didn't say that. What?
I'm not. I want you to get to the point.
We seen it. So now, she's my hand. We speak about it. As much as I also have a best friend or I have an older brother, as cars, as a cheetah, as a bro, to go to another bro and tell them, "Hore, my hand is doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2." Because as bro, we don't speak. We don't open up. We never open up. Because why? Kim cheetah. Worst part in the black community, you're supposed to deal with it alone as a bro. That's what we were taught. Or that's what the points of views of other people come from, which is grandfather, which we don't know. Sure. It's my hand. I fought with her, hoping you about it. I don't know. So coming back to that, when I go to ighost ezinye izinja ezingalumani esikhonkothayo kuphela wena uyaluma phela ham ngoluleka ngiphezu kwabo. Speaking about that, if me and my hand didn't, if me and my hand didn't fight, Popo's not gonna know about it. He's gonna know about that bro that loves me. Just because we fought. Yes, at the hand. altercations and so on, why was she supposed to go to Popo instead of coming to me and being like, a dog, 1, 2, 3, 1? Why doesn't she cry?
But he tried.
Oh,
But
she
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 tried.
tried. Sorry, she tried.
Yeah, she tried speaking to me.
A lot of times, Tabang.
No, guys, I don't wanna get to a point where I disclose my hands in our chats.
I'm there.
Yeah, I don't wanna disclose that and stuff. But Doug, if
So-
she
So you feel sorry. So you feel or she was unfair. She only goes to Poppy if there's bad things.
And also good things.
yeah,
what
and then
good things?
but when
What
it's good things, she doesn't go to Poppy.
Okay, wait, let's hear what good things. Which good things?
Like, okay,
What's your story? What do you know?
what's my story?
What,
I wanna
what
start it
did
from
she
scratch.
say? Yeah.
I want to start it from scratch. That's where I'm going. You know, the first time, yeah? Because I would usually see her, right? Greet, hi, can you please do my hair, do my lashes, and everything, you understand? You know, I'm a stylist, by the way. So, and then she starts venting. I tell her, look, baby girl, when you're with me, it's a safe space. You know, you come to me, you cry. You come to me, you want advices. I'm here for you 24/7. Even if it's 12 o'clock at midnight and you feel like you want to just come and you want to hug, you want to cry, I'll wake up for you. You understand? Then she's like, okay, I'm dating this guy. I'm not gonna say the nickname because he asked me so nicely, so I was like, actually, nickname, yeah. I'm dating this guy, and this guy who one hair. It's like, what do you mean one hair?
Where were you guys? Were you
My house.
or were you doing her hair?
I was doing her hair.
Mm.
Okay? My house. She comes and she's like, Papi, this guy that I'm dating, Neghost, Luena Tara, better listen.
I'm listening.
This guy that I'm dating, one hair. Okay, what do you mean one hair? I know he's now being nonchalant and he goes around. He said he accused me of the friend.
Okay.
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
He accused me of the friend.
Yeah.
You understand? And I'm like, he cannot do that without the extra facts. You know? Then she comes back again the following day, still crying because he now doesn't want to meet her because of the allegations that are going around. You know? And when she comes back, she's like, Poppy, here's a development in the story. Apparently, he started the rumor because he wanted to break up with her, but without her as a double crook in the feelings. You understand? Unfortunately, Kahangwanaka is a crybaby. You know? And then she cried, like she cried, Matana Dumbili. I was like, no, he cannot do that. He cannot go around saying, when you did this, and then he did that, and after that, he is the one that came up with the story. After coming up with the story, he wants to come back in your life again. He wants to come back in your life again. I straight up told her this. He cannot do that, you know. Then she goes to say, no, he doesn't want to own up to it. He doesn't want to apologize. I did tell him about it, but he doesn't want to apologize. What am I supposed to do now? Because I really, really, really love this guy. Yeah, no. Hit him with the same cards that he presented. If he's playing aces, you play kings and jacks and queens.
Hey, Tuba.
Shut up, with. You know, you do this. If he's playing chess when I play checkers, you understand? If he's gonna act nonchalant with you, because from what I heard from her, he doesn't want a relationship at the moment.
I win.
Shut up. He doesn't want a relationship at the moment. It surprises me now when I speak about her. She claims my girl, my girl, my girl. You know.
Yes.
So no, it's fine. So when you say that, so and then from there you started thinking, oh, this guy is cruel. And also maybe that time.
Not cruel. This guy is bitchy.
So is that true, Vel or no, Samrat?
Me.
This guy is
she
bitchy.
knows. She knows what we can fatela. And it's a thing fatela motho.
But what made you come up with the story?
I'm gonna put the story. Not about coming up with the story.
It's like, yes, I have Tando's numbers. I can call him so that he can confirm if he did that.
Why are you naming and shaming?
I'm not naming and shaming.
Don't name and shame.
No one knows him.
Besides, please do that part.
Okay, sharp.
Okay, sharp. At the end of the day, when I was speaking to Rahat, do you know those people were chatting?
I know.
Okay, so how do you chat with someone? Batlang. You told me life 10 hore motho wang patla. Motho o batlele number tsaka from 1, 2, 3. This person wanted my number from so and so and so.
It's still the very same case.
But you keep on chatting.
But you keep on chatting. And then when I ask we could be friends. How do you be friends with someone that wants you?
Nah, it's not that.
How do you be friends with someone that wants you? I can't come here and say I want Kim Kardashian.
And uphila le shine bush what? Nah, it's not that.
It doesn't work like that. You see, as people, hold on. I gave you a chance. It's my chance. Let me roll like the lion I am.
No, I'm not. I don't want to interrupt you.
Yeah, that's what you're doing right now.
No, I wanted to. A lot going on here. There's a lot. There is a lot. You know what I want from Tabangle? At this point on, point. I want him to be sincere. I want him to go there and apologize properly. So even if I come a small rose, it's 100 rand, a bar of rose, with I'm sorry and a box of chocolates. Just to show he's serious about her. You know? You're saying that no and come back after 3 days and say I'm sorry. I want him to go there and apologize.
My turn to speak.
Hey.
Apologizing is not a problem. What am I apologizing?
You're apologizing for hurting her feelings.
Okay, sure. That no problem. She apologizing for hurting mine.
I will talk to her and tell you.
Why
know what?
Talk to her?
I have to. I can't because now you don't know what you're apologizing for.
Why are you being the mediator? Why are you being the middle?
Because I'm in the middle already.
Is it who put you in the middle? Did we put you in the middle? Or she put you in the middle?
Both of you did. You just put me in the middle now.
I didn't put you in the middle.
She put me in the middle a long time ago, freaking month ago.
I came across to you. I didn't put you in the middle. I didn't ask for your position within the middle.
Okay.
Set her controller over. Poison no. No. I have mine. She must have hers. She must have a backbone.
She has a backbone.
Coming to you.
No, I'm not a backbone.
You are. Why are you speaking for her?
I'm speaking because I'm the one that's hurt at this point. I feel like you scarred my feelings through her.
Oh, you hurt.
Let's make it heads. I'm a girl.
Regular plus.
No, that was it. I had Chili Poppy because they literally fighting and we came at
no,
they were actually. I'm not saying you're fighting. Nalisa Ratan, you didn't like each other until I hear the story now. Who's behind everything? Why? What made you guys?
Mediator.
I'm not.
Commentator.
I'm not.
When I was going to go to FM or
But anyways, let's close it, guys. Don't forget subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's where T, Lippy, and T, which is TTP.
Hold on. Before I close it, I just want to address this hood red that says my podcast is fucking useless because you should take a phone. I shoot you the phone because I'm starting from scratch. You were sponsored, baby girl. Don't come for me. I'll come for you hands on. See, you want to close?
Sharp, ne? Guys, at the end of the day, ne? Now, episode of vandaag remember her men's mental health matters too.
Also, no mental health, no.
Homie.
Cut.
So you trying to tell me, Obota Simore she's useless? Actually, she was sponsored.
She was sponsored.
To be next.
No, we're not about Hirile. I'm starting from scratch. Anyways,
guys, don't forget. From me, Salty, to you, like, subscribe ke 24/7 a ke tsebe gore T and orange T, what are you saying?
Wa fete nna ke recommendang at the end of the day ke bophelo ba qhubeka, and if a wena wa sala o setse namela bus re tsamaye kaofela re mo re kaofela wena o setse mara o setse o le one mara rena re kaofela namelang bus bafana ba utlwellang washa let's go abo.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today. As you heard, still Saturday is like hot, buzz. Men mental health do matters. Other than that, I love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment, and hit the notification bell. From me to you, I love you.
Sima o tlo boya mo wena.
I don't care. I'm waiting for you guys blazing, baby girl.
Sima o tlo boya mo wena.
The gaga on top of the gaga.
So wena o sima na utswa batho pila. Na re kitsa batho.
Cut. Love you. Trafficker.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business, so I'm here to take the whole stash. This just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Irene kokota me fulele, irene kokota me fulele.